another day out here on the property. Still waiting on concrete forms. So I've just been getting a lot of stuff done. I'll take you through a couple things that I've got to do today. All right, so with the help of my dad yesterday, we moved all of these pieces over here just to kind of inventory, but also kind of set them in place. I'll put brackets on the ones that need brackets. Then I've got all the rafters set up over here. I'm gonna try to put these together today. It's time for a little maintenance. All right, I like to work smarter, not harder, so I lifted the deck here. Got to change the belt here. So I've got a new belt. I'm hoping that it'll fit. I got one that's a little bit smaller. The one I got before just didn't last long. It got too loose. If you were wondering why I was parked on these tires, it was just my attempt to have a little less fluid leak out. Going with a shorter belt, I may have messed up my spring length, but I'm going to see if I have another spring. Ooh. As I was working back here, I realized that I missed a weld. And before anybody comments on how crappy these welds are, I'm new at it. See if I can handle that without blowing some holes in the metal here. Get to this building, I'm going to find the hardware for these. This piece right here was damaged in shipping. That's supposed to be on a truck by the 5th. Looks like 3/4. Those are 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch. And all of these are screws. More screws. Well, it does not look like they have given me what I need for those rafters. It looks like I'm just going to be doing brackets here. So let's see what I got. All right, there's a lot more different size brackets than I thought, so I'm gonna have to go look to see which ones I need. I'm looking to connect this one, this one, this one, and this one. And if you see the number 1 here, I look over at my connection plates. Number 1 is a CL753. There we go, CL753. I'm pretty sure all of those are frame openings too. So I'm guessing this is the hardware that I need. So I got the brackets for one wall done. I didn't do a lot of filming because if you can see, my shed is up there with everything that I need. I'm setting up back here because I want plenty of room for cement trucks to be able to come in. So figuring out what brackets I needed and the hardware that I needed took the most time. I'm gonna go to lunch and then I'll start on the next wall. Figured I'd drive this bus and go get some diesel. Uneventful trip to get gas, although my gas pedal did break. I just had to pull over to the side and fix it. I'm gonna do the brackets for this wall. This is the west wall. A couple 1s. That looks like I need 4 2s and 2 3s. Those are the part numbers I'm looking for. So I've got 2 753s, got 4. These are the 751s and 2 of the 425. So there's the finished doorway there. I'm missing a small girth that needs to go here. On this side, missing one as well. This one looks like it's G19, the one that I'm missing. Looks like G9. I think I remember seeing a G9 and G19 buried in here. I'm not gonna look for them now, but I'm guessing they're in there. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today. Hopefully the next video is going to be concrete pour. Let me know how I'm doing. Like, comment, subscribe. Love the feedback. We'll see you next time.